Hello guys, help me open some gachapons. These are Hunter gachapon. Inside is a rubber keyring. As you can see, the two gachapon balls are transparent so you can see what's inside already. But this black one is a mystery gachapon. So I don't have any idea what's inside, but I know it's gonna be good. Let's open the first one, which is the white one. It's a bit difficult to open. It's hard. Oh, okay. So the first one that I got is Netero. Like, he is a strong character. But I really forgot. I watched Hunter one time only, so I need to watch Hunter again because I'm not good at names. But that is Netero. Yeah, he's strong actually. I really like, his ability with a lot of arms and like that. Like, you have to watch. And the next one is the pink ball, and as you can see, it's Killua Soldic. Let's open it. Okay. Actually, I like Killua and Gon's friendship, like relationship as a friend, okay? And yeesh. Maybe it's Pito or the Gon Ultimate or Miriam or Kite. So, yeah, I'm praying I want it to be one of those. So let's open. Oh my gosh. One, two, three. Oh, again. One, two, three. Is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's the ultimate gone. I don't know how to call the one. It's limitless. Limit transformation. Basta ganon. Oh, I'm so happy. Ay, napakaswerte naman ni ate girl. So, let's open the two key rings para makita nyo. They're so cute. Yeah, by the way, these are 300 yen keyring gachapon. Sige ako gachapon. Basta, mauna na siya. It's 300 yen. But it's worth it. So I spent 900 of course. Diba? Sige, bye! Next gachapon opening na side. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.